followers, you know.
Yeah.
Yes.
I mean, yeah, okay. So.
Then thoda sa upar karo.
Imran Khan, because this is Pakistani High Commission, and our President Waqas Khan, he called to Asian community to come here and solidarity stand with Imran Khan because they put him in a prison without a reason, make a lot of fake cases, and he's still there. And Supreme Court of Justice Qazi, he's even standing with other party as well, and we all Pakistani public and overseas community were supporting our best Imran Khan because they have to release him and he have to come back again on his Prime Minister chair and give direction to Pakistan, which is a good sign.
Okay, nice. Hold on, I'm just going to change the sound level. You have a quite a loud voice in a good way. I'm just going to make sure.
आपने भी देना
बस आज आप भी आज Prime Minister, we can vote, but now is a dodgy government here, so they don't give us priority to we can vote Imran Khan. So just we are standing for the people who live in Pakistan. They have to vote, but they don't do selection. We want to be election. When election, that means Imran Khan back in a Prime Minister. If they do selection, that means establishment. They will pick someone, the dodgy person, and put him in a Prime Minister chair. Which one we don't accept and we don't like, and we have to condemn that if they can do that one. And we come back again in front of Pakistani High Commission and raise our voice with the Pakistani overseas community.
Why is it important that like British Pakistanis show support?
Because this is very, very important because Imran Khan voice come from in the prison and he order to our Pakistani community because all Pakistani Asian community 99% standing with Imran Khan, and we have to raise our voice, which one reach in through this ambassador Faisal, go to in Pakistan and they listen what we are saying, and they have to think about if they do anything wrong with the elected Prime Minister Imran Khan.
Okay, and do you like Imran Khan yourself?
We love it. It's love in a bottom of not me, everybody loves it.
What do you like about him?
He's a very innocent, honest, and very great person, and he have a follower whole in the world. Anywhere he go, people love him.
He's thinking for country. He's thinking for country.
In White House, you see community of Pakistan, like millions go there, and Trump was that time Prime Minister, and he said, where the people come from, even I'm Prime Minister, that big amount of people never I see in my life, and that was in a history. Imran Khan been in the White House, and millions of people, they just welcome Imran.
That's really nice.
Okay,
Wait,